Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I have designated this hunt. Start again. I've designated this hunt Animal Coin Hunt 15. The first coin that we have here is a Cypriot coin, which is either 50 cent or 50 mil from 1996. It shows here the coat of arms of Cyprus, the year plus the country name. On the reverse we have a picture of the Abduction of Europa, where Europa is riding a bull. This bull was supposedly Zeus transformed into a bull, according to the myth. The coin from 1996 has a mintage of 6 million. This coin is from Georgia. Is that the right way? Totally the right way. There we go. This coin is from Georgia. It's a 20 tetri from 1993. We have the geometric Georgian pattern, which is known as the Borgia symbol of the sun, and that is B-O-R-J-G-A-H-I. Oh, sorry, B-O-R-J-G-A-H. It is a symbol, a Georgian symbol of the sun. The coin is from 1993, and on the reverse we have the red deer. There is no mintage available for this coin. Next coin I have is a 5 cent coin from Malta. On this side we have the coat of arms and the year of Malta. On the reverse we have, we also have the year on there, on the obverse, and on this reverse we have the value plus a picture of the freshwater crab. This 1986 coin has a mintage, and it's a very low mintage, of just 150,000. This is a 2 cent coin from South Africa, and I have two of them. And there's the second one. I have two coins, one is from 1966 and one is from 1989. And the 1966 one, this one has a portrait on it rather than the coat of arms that is showing on this one. Both coins on the reverse have the value and the wildebeest. The 1966 coin has a mintage of 9,267,000. The 1989 coin has a mintage of 213,629,150. Oh, terrible problem with my sinuses today. You have to excuse me. Oh, dropped the coin there. On the like. Right, this coin is from the Seychelles. It is 10 cents from 1982. On this side you have the coat of arms of the country, the year and the name of the country. On the reverse you have a fish and the value. The fish is one that we like in cans a lot in this country, which is a tuna. Although fresh tuna is available, of course. The mintage for this 1982 Seychelles coin is 1 million. We have next a coin for Slovenia. It is a 2 Tolaja. That's T-O-L-A-R-J-A. 1994 coin. On this side we have the value, the country and the year. And on the reverse we have a barn swallow and the value. And the mintage for this 1994 coin is 5 million. The next coin is a bit ropey, but it is actually a South African coin with the modern South African coat of arms with the year. It's a 2006 coin, and on the reverse we have the value of 5 cents with the crane or egret. The mintage for this coin is 580,160,000. It's no wonder we see that coin a lot. This next one is from the Caribbean. It's from Trinidad and Tobago. It's a 5 cent coin from 1999. We have the year, the coat of arms and the country on this side. On the reverse we have the value of 5 cents plus the animal, which is the greater bird of paradise. There is no mintage known for these coins. The next one is from Canada. It's a 5 cent coin from 1976. On the obverse we have the Queen's portrait, and then on the reverse we have the value, we have the country's name, the year, the value, and the animal is the beaver. The mintage for this 1976 coin is 55,140,000. This next coin is from Canada also. It is a 25 cent from the year 1995. We have the Queen on the obverse, and on the reverse we have the year, the country, the value, and the animal is a caribou. The mintage for this 1995 coin is 89,210,000. Excuse me. This next coin is a 10 Tlarje, that's Tlarje, from Slovenia. It's from the year 2002. On this side we have the value, the country and the year name, and the name of the country and the year. On this side we have the value and a prancing horse, and the name Equus. Equus is actually the Latin name for horse. The mintage of this 2002 coin is 10,037,000. Quite like that coin, it's a bit different. There we go, and that. Here we have one of the favourites for the hunts that I seem to be getting an awful lot of. This is the 5 foreign coin. There's one from 1993 and one from 1997. On the front, on the one on this right hand side, as you're looking, has a value of 5 foreigns and a ram's, and it has the Budapest mark. On the obverse you have the crane, the country and the year. For the 1993 5 foreigns, the mintage is 37,180,000. For the 1997 5 foreign coin, the mintage is 20,007,000. Next coin is from Cyprus. It is a 5 cent or 5 mils from 2001. You've got the coat of arms, the country and the year. And on the reverse you have the value of 5, and you have a ram's head. Now this is taken from a cave painting which is in the Nicosia Museum. The mintage for this 2001 coin is 15 million. The next coin we have is from Southern Ireland, or Era. It's a 1p coin from 1979. On this side we have the harp, the name of the country and the year. And on the reverse we have the value of 1p and a stylized bird from the design is taken from the Book of Kells. This book is extremely revered in Ireland as a very special book from their ancient times. The mintage of this 1979 coin is 21,766,000. We then go to Malta, and on this one we have the coat of arms, the country name and the year on this side. On the reverse side we have the 1 cent valuation and a weasel, which is the animal. This 1986 coin has a mintage of 21,526,000. We also have a second 1 cent coin from Malta, which again is exactly the same as the one before, and this one is from 1986 also. We then have a Russian coin from 1998. It is a 1 kopeck coin. You have the value, this is the value on that side, yes. The value is on that side of 1 kopeck. You have a vine and the value on that side. And on this side you have St. George and the Dragon. Or St. George the Warrior, I believe is the actual title that they give this coin. Or the reverse of this coin. There is no mintage figures available for this coin. It's a very highly minted coin. And the last coin is also a Diddy coin. It's got the Queen's head on. It's 5p size. It's from 1996. On this side you've got the Queen, the country and the year. Then on this side you find out what country it is. It's Gibraltar, of course. We have there the Barbary ape, sometimes known as a rock ape, sometimes known as a maquette. Or macaque, sorry. There are no mintage figures for this 1996 coin. And that is the last coin of this hunt. Let me get that up and let's zoom out a little bit. Oh, the other way. If you've enjoyed this hunt, and I sincerely hope you have, would you spend a couple of seconds and give me a thumbs up? If you've not subscribed already, could you please think about doing so? I would like to reach 100 subscribers by the end of this year, so your help is needed to get me there. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Finally, thank you for watching the video. I do have 4 different videos a week, so hopefully you will find something that interests you and you want to watch it. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.